I'm going to show you how you can use PrizePick promo codes for maximum benefits. Now, you want to go ahead and make up a new account. So tap on sign up or log in. You can also claim your $50 here as well. I'm going to show you how to do this as well. So if you tap on sign up here, now on sign up, let's just wait for this to load. Now, once it loads, you can see it'll initialize the localization surface here. Now, let's just wait for this again. Now, this is where you can enter in your promo code here, right? So enter in the promo code here. If you don't have a promo code, you can just tap one here, and then it'll automatically enter in the best promo code here. Just enter in your email after that so you can sign up. So just tap on your email and then just tap on continue. And then that's how you use a promo code there, right? So it'll be a promo code there. Now, what about the $50 here, right? So tap on claim your $50 here. This is also a form of promo code here. So again, let's just wait for this to load. Now, once you tap on that, it'll put you into the same here. You can enter in your email address as well, but the promo code will be welcome offer. Now, on the welcome offer here, if you do $5, they'll give you back $50.